Yeah, man, the Masicka come out and speak in mind. You see, you don't know, say Nuffy is a man who yo, he get paid for talk now, so Masicka can't pay him nothing much mind. You see me, but you don't know him say yo, nothing mouth stink and my big up Vybz Kartel said speed. I'm here say Masicka drop a bad song over there, yo. We telling you hear me say that this all teacher, viewers and subscriber walk on well dep and welcome forward to TV, you see it? And you don't know if you're new around here, just remember for like, comment and share and just go on subscribe to the TV for future upload. Yeah man, you don't know, so enough as a youth will love chat and them thing there. Teacher follow the road and him get a little hype and them thing. They show my teacher MC and them little thing. They say, I just go and chat off him out. So Masicka, just really just forward and just speak in mind. You see it, and just make you know say enough you all go shit in a plate, boy. You see it? I'll just go forward and hear what Masicka say. You see me?
Ask me, what go on, DJ. Nothing at all no go on. You hear that? Nothing at all no go on, my people or something. I mean, and the organizers, them have a little jump off. You hear that? That's something we always go on. You know what I mean? So I just go out there on a dark mood. Big up Vybz Kartel, you hear that? So some little frowns him out, boy. Nuffy will come and a chat up in mouth. You waste man, Nuffy. You boy and have nothing in your life. You hear that? You follow back. You can't style man, boy. I'm rich from in my 20s. You hear that? And they are still a whole moon and still I make millions. You hear that? The thing never drop. When you look at yes man who accompany media and I make it look like say man style cartel or man in a Vybz Kartel. When I waste man the whole on. You hear that? Every sumfest I go, I say my baddest DJ. Every time. Every stage show I still big up Vybz Kartel. So you know about that twist up man thing and make it look like Ray. Sumfest know say me and them have a little Ray. You understand? Follow back a boy enough you chat up in mouth. You waste man nothing. You have nothing in a life fool. Remember say I beg me for run back at me and style you. You hear that? Cause me no in a way in a bro. Me no beg friend. You hear that? As me tell you no big up cartel, nothing no go on a Sumfest. You hear that my people? A one side favor and big up on yourself. Some boy just love mix up and love controversy. Company internet on the bag like when you can intimidate man brother. When you go and spread peace and unity. You hear that? Cause I'm a fool dog. Me chat up on the mouth. You don't want to see youths rise boy your dog. Get what me I say? Every Sumfest I go I burn my fire. Every stage show I burn my fire, bro. You get me? No fear waste man. Big up the fans them. You hear that? And big up the people them too. You get what me I say? My people them I made just jump off, bro. You get me? I not even see one artist I waste man nothing and spread propaganda. You waste man and your job that you know for talk, you know. You get what me I say and follow back a man and chat foolish. You hear that? Yeah man, I just said big up yourself Vybz Kartel every time. You get me? Riches. You know what I mean? I just said the bro. Waste man who accompany media and I spread rumors so I'm looking follow back a boy. You get what me I say? Now waste man bro. Is it? One dancehall or one music. You hear that? One side. Big up on yourself people. Get what me I say? Yeah man, big up the Gaza. One side. You get what me I say? We don't know about that switch up man thing. I make you feel like say yo Ray. You get me? Yeah man. You know it go Joshua and them vibes and come on and say what you say bro. And I'm money me with Joshua say too. You get what me I say my brother? Yeah man. And we can't kill the youth cause you don't know dog and them vibe bro. You get what me I say? Boy, I'm rich from in my 20s. You hear that? And they are still a whole moon and still I make millions. You hear that? The thing never drop. When you look at yes man who accompany media and I make it look like say man style cartel or man in a Vybz Kartel. When I waste man the whole on. You hear that? Every Sumfest I go, I say my baddest DJ. Every time. Every stage show I still big up Vybz Kartel. So you know about that twist up man thing and make it look like Ray. Sumfest know say me and them have a little Ray. You understand? Follow back a boy enough you chat up in mouth. You waste man nothing. You have nothing in a life fool. Remember say I beg me for run back at me and my style you. You hear that? Cause me no in a way in bro. Me no beg friend. You hear that? As me tell you no big up cartel, nothing no go on a Sumfest. You hear that my people? A one side favor and big up on yourself. Some boy just love mix up and love controversy. Company internet on the bag like when you can intimidate man brother. When you go and spread peace and unity. You hear that? Cause I'm a fool dog. Me chat up on the mouth. You don't want to see youths rise boy your dog. Get what me I say? Every Sumfest I go I burn my fire. Every stage show I burn my fire bro. You get me? No fear waste, man. Big up your fans them. You hear that? And big up your people them too. You get what me I say? You have to know that. Get me? So in a bagger, spread no bagger rumor, bro. You see it? Yeah, man. Up on entry, the man them stay sad. Go like them I want to let in my people them and may just jump off, bro. You get me? Me not even see one artist at Reggae Sumfest, bro. You get what me I say? So no just stop yapping and the chatting, waste man Nuffy and spread propaganda. You waste man and you job that for talk, You get what me I say and follow back a man and chat fooling shit. You hear that? Yeah man, and they say they big up yourself Vybz Kartel every time. You get me? Riches. You know what I mean?
I sleep and get that phone call a while ago, And the phone call over at genocide side, I tell you. The link over there say, you need to fire. Go and go check your WhatsApp. No. And through me asleep, I don't know who me talk to. So I say, who this? And the warrior tell me who. And I say, oh, true, this is a different number, this man. And the man say, no, I firing me there. You don't know the number there. Check your WhatsApp now. My WhatsApp is something. Kartel have to go answer Masicka. I just that me have to say. Kartel say done with gun song, but me I tell you, when the Muslim hear that song, Kartel have to answer Masicka. The war is on, man. The war is on. Kartel have to go answer Masicka. Me get a preview of one song from over at genocide side, and me say when it drop, me know Vybz Kartel saying done with gangster music and that kind of something, but him have to go answer Masicka. Yeah man, the war real, man. I'll not forget touch too. Yeah man, I'll not forget touch too. When I go hear some things. Yeah man, me just I say that still. I say it before it drop still, because I know them all drop it. The link over there, the man them send a preview, make me hear peace. So, the war is on.
Come on, Phantom. Like, come on. Right? And I'm not saying this to be a jerk or an asshole. I'm saying this out of love for the artists and for the culture. Phantom went harder at the Sunfest people. I'm sure you knew you got 20 minutes before you stepped on that stage. Right? Use that 20 minutes there and remind the people them about all of the wonderful songs that you made. Use the 20 minutes and prove to your peers that your catalog still counts. Use the 20 minutes and show the audience, say, yo, this is what I contributed to the business. Don't forget me. Use the 20 minutes to make the promoter them say, yo, me have a book Phantom. The man cuss out and cuss and peer badness and who the man can't take me off of this son while the whole world is watching. All right. Every cuss where you cuss, every sentence where you cuss, could have be a next tune where you sing.
Exactly.
If you bust the place, who the boy can't take me off of this? Sumfest is not the stage show that you go to with the badness. You're there convincing the people that you don't need 20 minutes is not enough for your catalog. Instead of proving to the people them
20 minutes
that 20 minutes is not enough for your catalog. When you mash up the whole stage show now, right, and your time up and you say, people, you see what I tell you? Yeah. Me have whole heap more song when me not sing yet, but me have to come off because them only give me 20 minutes. Make the people them say, John, no. Them should have given the rest of more time.
Yep.
But you there telling the people them say, oh, 20 minutes can't do my catalog. So you walked away, and now everybody's talking about the other artists on the stage show.
Nobody now remember you.
Nobody now talk about you, but you had the material to make everybody talk about you. It's not like Phantom don't have good songs. Phantom had a time in the industry where he was dropping songs, right? So focus on that. Sunfest is a proving grounds by all means of the word, right? You're proving to your peers, you're proving to the world, you're proving to yourself that your catalog means something. Your input and contribution in the industry still has value. Why would you go up there and take the 20 minutes designated to you and cuss about the fact that you only got 20 minutes?
What's up, everyone? 876 Imported Cigars is now available at the Liquor Chamber. Shop 1 to 2 Hungway Shopping Mall, 3 Municipal Boulevard, Crookston 10, Portmore. We have rich flavors, smooth vibes, and expertly crafted cigars. Get yours today and experience the island's finest, perfect for relaxation, celebration, or just a chill evening. Visit us and indulge in the best, the Liquor Chamber, Portmore, where every puff feels like a vacation. We also do delivery. Check out the links in the description for more contact details. And remember to always stay lit.